OOPS in Java. Object-oriented is software development methodology based on modeling and real world. Object contains following scenario. Suppose two objects are communicating. Okay, each object contains message and data, and they communicate one to another. It has a state. It may display on behavior. It has unique identity. Okay, now don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos too. Class and object basic concept. Class, it is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can't be physical. If you have blueprint, using this blueprint you can create multiple objects with same feature for different users. Okay, example, car is a class and their model is object. Object is an instance of class. Clear? Now, a class in Java contains field, method, constructor, blocks, nested class and interface. Clear? Now, inheritance is a concept extend a new class from existing class and derived class, gets all the features from base and also some new features can be added to it. There are 4 types of inheritance in Java. First, single level inheritance. Second, multi-level inheritance. And third one is a hierarchical inheritance. And fourth is a hybrid inheritance. Now, encapsulation means which bind the data, operation and method in single unit. Example class. Both abstraction and encapsulation work hand in hand because abstraction says what detail to be made visible and encapsulation provide the level of access right to that visible details. Example, implement the desired level of abstraction. Now, encapsulation is equal to abstraction plus data heading. Clear? Now, polymorphism. Many forms of single entity. Suppose that I am Vibhuti and I have different behavior. Real time example, suppose that I am a single man Vibhuti and I behave different in front of parent, senior, boss, as a friend. Clear? Now, polymorphism, type of polymorphism. Type of polymorphism, static or compile time polymorphism. We can resolve static polymorphism using function overloading and operator overloading. Now, second is a dynamic or runtime polymorphism. We can resolve dynamic polymorphism using method overriding and virtual method. Clear? Now, what is signature in polymorphism? Method name, number of parameter value and their type is called signature. Clear? Now move on next segment. Access modifier respect with Java. Private. Member is accessible only within the class containing the member. Next, public. Member is accessible from anywhere outside the class. As well, it is also accessible in derived class. Next, protected. Member is visible only to its own class and its derived class. Protected method, however, are not accessible from an object variable. Clear? Now move on next topic. Abstraction. Abstraction is a process of exposing all the necessary details and hiding the rest. In Java, data abstraction is defined as a process of reducing the object to its essence so that only necessary characteristics are exposed to user. Clear? Now, example, car is a better example of abstraction because seller only show only necessary detail like car description, service history and etc. Not show other features because it is not needed for owner. Clear? Now move on next topic. Abstraction key point in Java. We can't create object of abstract class and abstract class always use a base class. Clear? We can't create object of abstract class and abstract class always use as a base class. Clear? Now next, if you want use object as a abstract class, first create derived class or child class and inherit abstract class as a base class in child class or derived class. Next key point is we can create non-abstract method and implement in abstract class, but abstract method doesn't allow this. Clear? Next topic. Next, we can't abstract method signature implement in only abstract class without body with colon. Next, if we create a abstract method signature in abstract class, then must be override in derived or child class. If you done, then okay. If not, show error. Clear? Next key point is abstract or shield class both are opposite one to another, and abstract class allows use as a base class but shield not. Clear? Now next key point is abstract method doesn't allow private static virtual keyword for method creation. If you done, then show error. These are following abstraction key point in Java. These are very important. It is tested and done by me, so watch full video. Now next topic is constructor in Java. Constructor is a special function. It calls itself whenever you create a object. Clear? Type of constructor in Java: default constructor and parameterized constructor. I make a separate video for constructor in Java in next video. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos too.